All right, let's take a look at custom names. If you guys can see, neon custom names that you could set up, very simple. You could do any sizes, any designs you want, including with the actual dimmer and actually power cord. So I actually use these twice, one for my other daughter and one for my middle child too. This is my youngest child. So if you guys can see, we're getting ready for a party and she's gonna be the star, and it's gonna have her name in here printed. So you can use it pretty much for any kind of usage. I'm gonna show you some footage what I use it to also for on our party, but you could customize your design, your names, your sizes. Very simple. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it works at night. All right, let's take a look at the beautiful light. If you're gonna put it in a background with flowers or any scenario, it's very beautiful. You can see, so if it's very bright, you can actually turn it down. It comes with the actual fixture to turn it down, and we're gonna go ahead and turn it down so you guys can see how dim you could go. All right, so let's put the camera down and I'm gonna dim it. It does come with the dimmer here. All right, and you can just control it to lower it down enough where you want it, and then bright as possible. So the dimmer is included with it, and the off and on button, of course, you can just go all the way, click it, it clicks one, it turns off. But look at this custom made sign to say anything you want. I'm gonna lower it down so you guys can see a little bit better the actual design, but they have multiple designs, and you could do as long as you want your name to be and as large as you want it to be too. So very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.